from Fujifilm. This is known as Instax Square SQ6 Instant Camera. What it does is, it captures an image and instantly print it for you, so you can save those memories forever in the form of printed photos. In this video, we are going to show you all the contents that you get in the Indian retail package of Instax Square SQ6, which will be retailing in India from around 9 to 10,000 depending upon the offers you can get in the online or the offline stores. So we will be showcasing you all the box contents, and then we will be discussing about its features and how does it work. In the end, we will also let you know whether it makes sense to go for this camera or does it make more sense to go for any other camera in the same price segment. So talking about the box contents, the first few things you get is how you have to take out the package. It has all the details how to unbox it. That's a first. Then you get this big user manual which has the information available in different languages starting from English, Dutch, German, French, etc. Then you get a standard strap which you can use with the camera. Then you have these two CR2 batteries which you get in the camera. Yes, it uses CR2 batteries and these are not rechargeable, so you need to buy them again once you run out of the battery. Then you get these interesting adapters for the flash. You have three flash. One is green, magenta flash, so that you can add sort of filters to your instant photos. And now time to reveal the main product of this unboxing, the Instax Square SQ6 camera. So this is the camera. It looks like a vintage camera. It is slightly big in dimensions, but that's the entire feel around it. It has to be slightly big due to two reasons. Number one, to give you a feel of an instant camera, and number two, it has to use an instant film which is a square film, and it has to use it inside the camera so that the overall dimensions become big. Now on the back side you have the compartment where the film will go inside. You need to buy those films. It comes in a pack of 10 and it goes into these compartment, and you can get those films for around 500 to 550 Indian rupees for 10 films. So that's pretty much it about the unboxing. Now let's discuss about the product in detail. So this is the Instax SQ6 camera. In the front you get this big lens which actually comes out. You have a small selfie mirror as well, so that you can take selfies using this instant camera. There is a selfie mode as well. On the top right corner you have the flash, and you can use the filters if you want to have different effects using the camera. On the right side and the left side you get the strap option. Now on the back side you have a viewfinder, and on the lower right side you can see the number here which indicates the number of cartridges left in this camera. We have already inserted the CR2 batteries. It uses two CR2 batteries and it will give you a battery life of around 30 to 40 shots after using these batteries, depending upon whether you use the flash or not. Now it has multiple modes like automatic, selfie mode, macro mode, scenery mode, light mode, dark mode, etc. You can enable or disable the flash as well. We have inserted the 10 film cartridge here. Each cartridge has 10 films, so you can print 10 photos at a time. On the top you have a slot from where the printed photo will come out. Then you have on or off option. Once you turn it on, the lens will come out, and you can see this is the maximum dimension of this camera. Now using this camera is pretty simple. All you need to do is turn it on using the top switch, and then in the front you can see my finger. There is a switch to click the image. All you need to do is press it, and that's it. It will capture an image and print it out. You can select the mode before selecting the image. You can select an interval time, and you can turn on or off the flash. Once you do that, just press the image. It will take an image and you will get the image printed on this film. Now it looks really cool, but it has its own advantages and disadvantages. Talking about the advantages first, this is an all-in-one solution. You don't need to have a separate camera and a separate printer in order to get the printed images. It works well. You can see the images, they look very good, and they are the memories which you can save. You can paste these images on your wall and keep them forever, or keep them in an album. Now disadvantages include, as you can see in this image, sometimes there is a slight issue with the macro shots, or in some scenarios, not all scenarios, but still the image gets printed, and that is a wastage of one single film which costs around 50 Indian rupees. And the other point is also related to the cost. The 10 film set where you can print 10 images will cost you around 550 Indian rupees, and the battery will cost you somewhat around 1000 Indian rupees, which will give you battery life of around 30 to 40 shots. For every 30 to 40 shots, this means that you need to spend around 2500 to 3000 Indian rupees. This is a bit expensive, but this product is meant for the users who value printed images more than the digital images and who want to have a cool vintage looking camera with them. Personally, we really like this camera. If it was slightly cheaper in terms of printing, it would have been much more value for money, but still, if you love to get those shots printed and save them forever, this is a cool product which you can buy. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more such videos, and thanks for watching.